Welcome to our channel. If you want to invest in municipal bonds, follow these step-by-step instructions to understand tax-advantaged fixed income investing through government securities. Step 1. Learn what municipal bonds are and how they work. State and local governments issue these bonds to fund public projects, and the interest income is often exempt from federal and sometimes state taxes. Step 2. Determine if municipal bonds make sense for your tax situation. Investors in higher tax brackets benefit most from tax-exempt income, while those in lower brackets might do better with taxable bonds offering higher yields. Step 3. Understand the difference between general obligation bonds backed by the issuer's taxing authority and revenue bonds backed by specific project income. General obligation bonds typically carry lower risk. Step 4. Research municipal bond credit ratings from agencies that assess default risk. Focus on investment-grade bonds rated highly by multiple agencies for greater safety of principal. Step 5. Choose between individual municipal bonds and municipal bond funds. Individual bonds provide known maturity dates and cash flows, while funds offer instant diversification and professional management. Step 6. Consider whether to invest in local or national municipal bonds. Local bonds may offer state tax exemption benefits, while national funds provide broader diversification across many issuers. Step 7. Monitor your municipal bond holdings periodically and understand that interest rate changes affect bond values. Rising rates decrease bond prices, while falling rates increase them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel